about to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know.
I feel like I don't even remember how to do this. Okay, we good? Alright, lighting's bad. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been so long since I've updated my YouTube channel, since I've been on here and filmed a video, and I'm coming on looking kind of like a mess, but I'm about to clean up my home. And I was like, you know, there's been too many times over the past few months that I've wanted to film a video, and I've just said, you know what, I'll do it tomorrow, I'll do it next week, and with that attitude, I haven't filmed in months. So I've missed YouTube so much, and I'm really excited to be back for the new year. So much has gone on in over the past couple months. I just got married and just got back from my honeymoon. It has just been the most amazing couple of months of my life. The past couple of weeks have just been truly magical, and I hope you guys had a great holiday season as well. Today is actually New Year's Eve. It's December 31st, and we just got back from our honeymoon the other day, so the house is a mess. I would love to put away the Christmas stuff, just kind of get my life back in order here. I just went back to work yesterday. I'm still working online as a teacher for VIP Kid. I feel like I'm all over the place, but I definitely want to update you guys on how that's going. It's going amazing. I love that job so much, and it's been awesome getting right back into it after taking a couple weeks off, which was a nice break, but yeah, I feel like I'm all over the place. I have so many life updates for you guys. We're also moving. That is a huge update that I haven't shared anywhere. We are moving next month, around February 1st. It's kind of flexible. We're moving back to Steven's home. He bought a home not several years ago. He bought a home, what was it, 2015, I think? Something like that. A couple years ago he bought a house, and I had bought a house a few years ago, but I sold mine. Steven kept his, and he was renting it out, but we've decided that we are going to move into it together, and we're going to try to make it our own until we either buy a new house or build a new home. So we are moving. Sorry, the lighting's awful. Clearly I have taken too much time off. I can't believe I'm hopping on here for the first time in so long, like looking like a mess. We are going to a party later, and I just didn't want to do my makeup fully right now. I wanted to do it later. Anyway, this intro is already way too long, but I am coming back, and I'm so excited to be back. Thank you all for hanging in there with me, for staying subscribed. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for your support, and I'm really excited to get back into it. So let's go ahead and get started and be cleaning up the house. It's quite a mess, so I'm excited for the transformation. Let me show you around and show you what we're going to be cleaning. Hallmark Channel is going on in the background because I have a lot of movies that I need to catch up on from being away for a couple weeks. So, okay, let me show you what the house looks like. Ugly chair, still here. I would love to get rid of it. I need to put that chair cover back on. There's Rosie. Such a mess. We left for our honeymoon right after the wedding. We returned the alcohol that we didn't end up using, but we have some open bottles that are kind of scattered throughout the house. So here's just some of that. That's just stuff. This was such a sweet gift. It has our names on it. But just like all like wedding decor. I need to put some of this stuff away. Yeah, these are still fully packed. We need to unpack them. I got this CalPack suitcase from TJ Maxx right before we left because my other suitcase was broken, and this worked out really, really well. I loved it. I need to put some towels away. Okay, sorry, I had to start that clip over again because there was paperwork. But another pile of alcohol and just stuff from the wedding that I need to find a spot for. It's been so challenging trying to put this stuff away while knowing that we're also packing to move, so I'm like, I just don't know where to put everything. I did attempt to clean up the kitchen, so it's actually not too bad. But yeah, I did a couple loads of laundry. I want to take down the Christmas tree if I have time today. It's already, oh my god, it's already 3 o'clock. I thought it was only 2 o'clock. Yeah, and then There's my little Minz. Say hi, Minnie. She can't be bothered. I did make our bed. This is our room. Still kind of looks the same, but have some little tidying up to do. Here's where the real disaster lies, my office room. Haven't unpacked, just been like reaching out of here. Mess, 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 mess. I have so much to do. So let's go ahead and get started. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are new. Welcome to Nessa Blog Blogs. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get started.
When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass among the flowers. We just let the days pass by. People would tell us to get a grip of ourselves and get a job. We didn't care what we were told, 'cause when we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. I wish I could turn back time.
Okay, literally 5 minutes later and I'm sweating and the lights are bad. I finally got this chair cover kind of on. Steven can help me. I'm like literally out of breath. I hate this thing. Get this on correctly. It is in my goals and objectives for 2020 to get a new recliner. I know it's not a priority, but I hate this thing. So yeah, I mean, it's not the worst thing in the world, but I kind of hate it. So anyway, let's keep going.
When we got older, we tried to stay in touch, but we had to move on. Life ran away from us. If I could go back, be 17 again, yeah, I would, just to see all my friends running around the city, acting crazy like we used to do. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we were 17. When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Alright guys, so here is my office. I just have to put away this stuff right now real quick, but it looks so much better. I'm gonna pack this stuff away when I pack away the holiday decor. This is some stuff that I got like 50% off or 75% off that I got on clearance, and then those are just gifts that I need to put away. And then here is the living room, all nice and tidy. The girls are sitting there watching for kids walking on the sidewalk, but everything looks nice and tidy. Steven's gonna fold these towels for me, and then I didn't have the energy to put away the Christmas stuff today, so I'll just have to get to that another day. Maybe I'll film a undecorate with me. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm excited to get back to filming. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.